You're holding $5 in your hand right now. Most people will spend it on coffee and forget about it in 5 minutes. But a few people, the ones who think differently, can turn that same $5 into $100,000. The question is, which one are you? Have you ever looked at a $5 bill and thought, what can I really do with this? Most people would say, buy a coffee, grab a snack, or maybe pay for a bus ride. But here's the truth, that same $5 can be the seed of $100,000 if you use it the way the rich do. Because the rich don't see money as something to spend, they see it as something to grow. The difference between the poor and the rich isn't how much they have. It's how they think about what they have. Most people say, I can't do much with $5. The rich say, how can I make this $5 work for me? That single question changes everything. Let me explain the formula the rich secretly use, and how you can apply it even if you're starting with almost nothing. Step 1. Invest in knowledge. Not stocks, not crypto, knowledge. Because knowledge multiplies faster than any investment on earth. You can use $5 to buy an ebook, a short online course, or even a tool that helps you learn a skill. Graphic design, video editing, marketing, anything. The poor buy things that disappear. The rich buy things that grow. That $5 lesson might help you make your first $50 online. And that $50, you don't spend it, you reinvest it. That's step 2. Reinvest your profits. Every dollar you earn should have a job. To learn more, to build more, or to reach more people. Think about it like planting seeds. One seed doesn't look like much, but over time, it grows into a tree. And that tree produces fruit with more seeds. That's exactly how money grows when you keep reinvesting instead of spending. The poor spend money to feel good. The rich spend money to create freedom. Step 3. Leverage your skill to create value. Money always follows value. If you can help one person solve a problem, you can make $5. Help 100 people, you can make $500. Help 1,000, you're already on your way to 6 figures. That's how real wealth starts. By solving problems, not by chasing money. And that brings us to step 4, compound your growth. The biggest secret the rich use is compounding. They don't grow fast, they grow consistently. They build, learn, improve, and reinvest again and again. If your income grows just 20% every month, your $5 can realistically become $100,000 in a few years. It's math, not magic, but it requires discipline and patience. Most people never get there because they quit too early. They think small, they want quick results, and when they don't see them, they give up. The rich think long-term. They're playing a 10-year game, not a 10-day game. They know that every small improvement compounds. Every book read, every video created, every hour invested. You see, the difference isn't luck. It's the long game mindset. That's what turns $5 into $100,000. And here's the final secret. Use leverage. Elon Musk doesn't work harder than you. He just uses leverage better. Technology, teams, systems, and time. Even you can use leverage. AI tools, social media, digital skills. You can automate, scale, and reach millions with almost nothing but effort and consistency. That's the modern formula of wealth. Knowledge plus skill plus value plus leverage equals freedom. So the next time you hold $5 in your hand, don't think about what you can buy. Think about what you can build. Because that tiny piece of paper can either disappear in a moment, or start a journey that changes your life forever. You don't need a miracle. You just need a mindset. The mindset that says, I won't spend my $5. I'll multiply it. That's how the rich think. That's how wealth begins. And that's how you turn $5 into $100,000.